Boys and girls, Mr. Splawski here. That's right, your very own teacher that's also a meteorologist. Here we are. We're back here in the weather lab. Today we're going to be doing something extremely exciting. The last time we were here, we learned all about weather instruments. We learned how to use the thermometer. We found out that thermometers, there are many different types of thermometers. We even learned what a weather vane is. And if you remember our trip, we go, weather vane. That's a good way of remembering. Our next weather instrument right here, this is our rain gauge. Remember, rain gauge, because it catches the rain when it's outside. Today, you are going to get to use one of our very favorite things. That is right, Legos. We aren't going to use these Legos for just anything. We're going to be creating a model of your very own weather instrument. You and your team will decide which weather instrument you'd like to create best. The one that I chose to build my very own model of a weather vane. So I looked up my weather vane. Now, I already know that this isn't going to be perfect, but it's pretty good. If I look here, I've got north, I've got east, south, and west. I've made a compass rose because a weather vane tells us what direction the wind will go. Now, one thing I do know, since it is Legos, it's not going to work like this one does, but it does look like a great model. One cool thing about this challenge is, today, what you're also going to do while you're building, your technology specialist is going to be using their iPad to make their very own Lego movie. Mine is called My Weather Vane. I'm going to show you how it looks. Directed by Mr. S, My Weather Vane. There's my beginning steps. And there I go, north, east, south, and west. Then I put it together. Victory is mine! Well, today, will you be victorious in your challenge today? I know that you and your teammates can come up with a great weather model and instrument of your own. Remember, you're building your very own weather instrument using Legos. It needs to be a model. That means it doesn't need to work. It just needs to be a great representation of that weather instrument.